I'm Len Strahanoski, Senior Certified DuPont Tyvek Specialist. Besides windows and doors in the wall that we have to flash properly using the right flashing products, DuPont flashings, we've got wall penetrations, PVC pipes, HVAC vents, line sets, electrical. DuPont makes FlexWrap EZ, and it truly is easy. It's just like our FlexWrap, but it's in a smaller roll, much easier to apply, and we're going to flash those wall penetrations properly because that's part of maintaining our monolithic wall for moisture and air not to penetrate the wall to protect your home. In our Tyvek wall, besides window and door openings, there's wall penetration. So whoever cuts the Tyvek and makes a hole, we have to flash that properly, just like we did our windows and we're doing our doors. We have the Tyvek cut, we have an opportunity for water and air to penetrate into the house, not to mention dirt and some mice and things like that can't enter the home. So DuPont has FlexWrap EZ, and just like it says, it's easy to install. So we have a PVC pipe here on the wall. I've got a piece of FlexWrap EZ cut for it. We're gonna do a one-piece install and wrap it completely around, make it a simple install. 1-inch portion goes onto the penetration, 1 3/4 onto the wall. Let's do it. I'm gonna slowly pull off a portion of the 1-inch, and that is starting halfway onto one side of the pipe and the penetration. We're going to slowly work our way around, making sure we're tight against the wall as we adhere. As we get up to the top, we're going to stop, and we're going to start pulling off the FlexWrap EZ backer, and you're going to see how simple and how flexible this product is. Watch it make that radius. No cutting. I'm not going to cut anything to fasten this to the wall and to the penetration. Again, we're overlapping, so the underside is under, our overside goes over the top, so we have proper drainage. Now we'll just fan it out and work it onto the wall. Longer is better. Don't cut it short. Again, we're going to use our J roller. Make sure we have full adhesion. Totally sealed that penetration. No opportunity for water to leak. You're ready to install siding. FlexWrap EZ.